Welcome to Pop Info News. Land don't refuse, say they are not going to grant the request of Nigeria government and Nigerian military to rendition Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. My people, it don't read though. As that one day happen, they say that we don't figure out the reason why there is a lot of checkpoint in Southeast Nigeria. They say those police, so they not even pay them money if you reach them to take care of their family. That's why our guys send them for road to get a lot of money. As it stand right now, they say Sim Fubara don't carry him bag. He don't give Wike woto. As it stand right now, they say Wike don't jackpot come up for River State as Fubara win him. Things are happening. My wonderful people, this pastor don't shocktalize the whole world, call expose Nigeria unity, which is I go bring you these videos, may you watch. Stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to end. Now I'm going to play you this video of this woman. You hear wetin talk, how they pay them and how they deny them some assets. This woman is a Nigeria police officer. This is the reason why you see checkpoint everywhere in Southeast.
Yes, good afternoon. My name is Esther Marcos, a retired DSP in the Nigerian Police Force. I retired 2018 November 2018. I just want to use myself as a case study. It's applicable to every other police officer that is under this dirty contributory pension scheme. So I'm using myself as a case study. After serving for 35 years, though, I joined the Nigerian Police Force at a very young age. I didn't even go there to join. I escorted a friend that unfortunately she was not taken. I was taken due to my height because I'm tall. But I was not even up to 16 when I joined the Nigerian Police Force. And when I retired 2018, finally, I waited for like a year plus. Then I was given 1.7 million. After 35 years, I was given 1.7 million naira. Then, after waiting for another 3 months or so, then they started paying me 40,000 naira as my monthly pension. 30,000 naira. You heard me very well. I mean 40,000 naira. After giving me a 1,700,000 as my gratuity for everything. After serving for 35 years. And that applies to every other policeman, policewoman that retired from this dirty scheme called contributory pension scheme. That's what we have been facing. That's what we have been going through. And after this, in fact, this struggling has been on for over 10 years now, because after 2018, when I retired 2018, there was this meeting that was, holding. I asked, they told me it's a police retirees meeting. They started it, I think, 2017 or thereabout. And all our cries to the federal government has been met with deaf ears. It's not an insult, but that's the truth. And they are aware of what we are going through. They've had about 3 public hearings or before on this particular case. But when the army were going out, the DSS, Air Force and other paramilitary, there was nothing like public hearing. And let me tell you the truth. The AIGs and DIGs and IGs, they have exempted themselves from this dirty contributory pension scheme. They only left the commissioners of police downwards. They are the ones suffering it. The president cannot say he has not had this issue. He knows what is happening. And let me tell you, we will never stop fighting. Because even those that are coming behind us, they will never, you cannot just see an injustice, this pure injustice, and not fight for it. It's not possible. How do you want me to survive on 30,000 or 40,000 naira? That's for me as a DSP, but we have 2 stars, 1 star that are collecting 28,000 naira. And you want them to survive in this? What offense? What offense did the police do that they deserve this ill treatment? What is happening? God is watching because God is a God of justice. I just want to make this clear to you that anybody that is against us, that we should not be exited from this evil, from this bondage, that person is a vulture. Yes, you heard me right. That person, that man, that woman, that group that don't want police to retire from, to be exempted from this evil, they are vultures, because a vulture only waits for its victim to die, then he will come and feed, and that's what has been happening. We have people like this former Abubakar Maina, what do you call him, that pension money in trillions. And what happened to him? Nothing. He was only fined, is it 250,000 naira? You can imagine a country we find ourselves. You can imagine this. So who do the police? We will continue to fight. And you want the serving police, knowing fully well that when they retire, they are going into hell. You want them to stop corruption. They will continue collecting. They will continue extorting. Yes. They will continue enriching themselves, no matter how, no matter what, by whichever means they want to. I'm telling you, we will not stop fighting. You heard me very well. My name is Esther Marcos. We will not stop fighting. What we are planning now is to go and occupy that their National Assembly, call CNN to come and view the whole program. If these people don't have shame as leaders, that your own retirees are suffering, you can imagine the death toll that is happening in this system. A lot of people have gone, not because they are...
Yeah, my wonderful people, you don't read though. As that one they happen, let me also play you the video of Fubara, the governor of Rivers State. The message where he sent, go give Wike.
We made a promise to you that we'll continue to keep the interests of Rivers first. So now that this bill has been signed, I can assure you that every projection in it, we will make sure that we kickstart it, so that the record of performance that was accorded this administration in the year 2024 will be higher.
The governor also uses the occasion to declare that Rivers State has only one House of Assembly, led by Victor Okojumbo. He adds that the matter of the lawmakers who decamped from the PDP to the APC is already dead and buried.
We have only one assembly, and that assembly is headed by the Honorable Victor Okojumbo. A group of friends, for 10 months or so, they embarked on what they call Sinbad journey. Halfway the vessel, while they were coasting, they now realized that they were entering inside the den of devil and sharks. They now retrieved. It is too late. It is too late. And the truth about it, we're not going back. We have given them enough room. As it stands now, our major target is the interests of Rivers State and to continue to defend the integrity of governance. So long as I'm concerned, we have moved on.
For his part, Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Victor Okojumbo, says he's optimistic that 2025 will be a year of bountiful harvest for Rivers State.
Your Excellency, you have become a beacon of hope to the common man. The people of Rivers State are indeed very happy with your style of leadership.
With the issue of the budget now settled, Governor Fubara says his administration is set to hit the ground running, assuring that the interest of the people will continue to be his number one priority. AIT News Port Harcourt.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video as well, let us also jump inside waiting this pastor, Tinubu and Nigerian government. This one will catalyze you. Watch the video.
Make Nigeria one. Nigeria is not one, and it can never be one. We are different nations tied together by force. We should still be one country, but let everyone govern himself the way he likes. Are you hearing me? Let the Niger Delta have their oil. Let the East have their resources. Let the Yoruba people have their resources. Let the North have their resources. Let them manage their security. Give them state police. Let everybody guard his borders. Let everybody generate his economy. Why must you generate oil in the Niger Delta and take it to the north? Why must we generate IGR here, or the VATs, and take it to the north? That generate nothing. The 10 key northern states have Sharia. Sharia says no to alcohol. Sharia says no to tobacco. But alcohol and tobacco is what give us VAT here. And you take the money from there to spend where you say you don't want, but you like the money. Fraud, unfairness, injustice. Where did we sit down to make Nigeria 36 states? Where did we sit down? Nigeria was negotiated 3 regions: North, West, East. 1963, by plebiscite, Midwest came in. Where did we sit down and say we shall be 36 states plus Abuja, and the biggest one taken to the north? More local governments. Then we came with federal character. You are qualified, but from the tribe you came from, you can't be qualified. Now, you can't pass any law in that National Assembly without northern approval. They are in larger quantity, deliberately made so. So how do we go from there?
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, may you hear say Nigeria don't expire, but these people don't want to tell everybody the truth. So very soon this truth will be revealed. Share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as they read. Welcome back to Pumpy Info News, my wonderful people. Please share this video and make sure say they follow all our social media handles.